Upper wall, low wall residence by Kode architects in SEONGNAM-SI, South Korea. Apartments, with all their amenities and infrastructure, are the most common and efficient form of living in Korea. For those who choose to live in a detached house instead of an apartment, there must be certain things that make them want such a way of living. Terraces where you can feel nature at any time, large open gardens, and characteristic exteriors with different looks are definitely unique attractions of houses that you can't find in apartments. However, the reality is that densely packed urban planning has resulted in a large number of clustered homes closed on four sides, each with its own privacy, in housing complexes. The same was true for the subject land. As the site was surrounded by other houses on all four sides, the housing condition should be sensitive not only to the privacy of the owner but also to that of neighbors. In the urban context around the site, despite the existence of a large green space nearby, it was impossible to take an unhindered view of the natural landscape due to the houses on the adjacent land. Therefore, we intended to build a house that reflected the client's needs while protecting both their privacy and that of the neighbors, and securing the maximum sense of openness in the closed site. Land analysis. The subject land is one of the lots in a detached housing complex in SEONGNAM-SI, Gyeonggi-do, and is located at the corner of the block. Thus, 2 of the 4 sides of the site are facing an 8M road, and the other 2 sides are adjacent to neighboring houses. Although 2 sides face the road, there is already a building beyond the road on the right, and the land beyond the front road is currently an empty lot. However, as it is planned to build a detached house in the future there, it is almost as if all 4 sides are blocked by other houses. The front road is flat with almost no level difference, but the road on the right has a slope with a height difference of approximately 2 meters. Thus, we plan to utilize this to separate vehicle access and foot access. Concept 01. Upper wall, lower wall, how to open up the living space and how to close it down, was the most important and difficult question that we faced on this site, which is blocked by buildings on all 4 sides and whose neighbors are sensitive to privacy issues. This question was the most important main theme that guided our planning throughout the project, and in the end, we determined that a building centered around a courtyard was inevitably the best option to protect privacy from the surrounding views, which are located in all directions like surveillance cameras. However, as we didn't intend to create a closed space for people to live in rather than just to stay for a while, we aimed to solve the privacy issues of both the clients and the neighbors by blocking the view of the surroundings while at the same time creating a maximum sense of openness within the space. Beyond the closed courtyard-style building that surrounds all sides of the site, the architectural element of the wall was used to protect the privacy of the neighbors while planning a residential space that meets both the needs of the clients who wanted a place to relax in nature, and of their children who wanted to have an independent space from their parents. Rather than utilizing the wall as an object that is separate from the building and simply blocks the view, our design integrates the wall with the building so that the wall can be felt as one of the architectural elements. Furthermore, rather than just a high wall along the boundary of the site to block the view of pedestrians, the wall integrated with the building is divided into a lower wall and an upper wall according to the vertical level, on an architectural scale rather than a human scale, and responds to various issues required at each level with different functions. The lower walls, located at the basement and ground floor, primarily serve the practical function of storage while also shielding the view from the front house. In addition, they also serve as a guideline that guides entry and exit movements in the visually blocked building. The diagonal wall encountered when entering the interior of the site along the wall, which extends to the outside, directs the eye to the open space between the gaps of the neighboring houses, relieving the claustrophobic feeling that may be felt in a courtyard-style building. The upper wall, consisting of the second floor and an attic, is a key architectural element that not only serves the basic function of blocking the view from the outside, but also realizes the client's request for privacy between their two children. The children's spaces, located on the same level but divided by the upper wall, symbolize the SEONGNAM-SI, guest building, and the anchor, main building, of a hanok, a Korean-style house, respectively.